Herzlich willkommen zu unserem
Hello and welcome to our virtual motorhome press conference. Of course, my colleagues and I would have preferred to talk to you personally. Because of the current situation, we decided not to participate in this year's trade fair, and we believe that this is a sensible decision.
Messe teilzunehmen. Und wir glauben, das ist auch eine vernünftige Entscheidung. Es soll Erhebungen geben.
There are reports of surveys trying to answer the question of whether the corona crisis has created changes in people's living situation that then led to bigger families. For us, this is certainly the case. I'm very happy to be able to present a new family member to you, the Caddy California, which today celebrates its world premiere. And now my colleague Tobias Blase will tell you all about this newest family member.
Details den jüngsten Spross vorstellen.
Hi, I'm Tobias Blase. I'm a product spokesman for motorhomes at Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles, and I'll show you the product highlights of the Caddy California. Let's start with the biggest highlight, the bed. We have completely redesigned the bed. It now consists of a rugged aluminum frame with cup springs. That's the same system we use in the other California models. The cold foam mattress features a removable fabric cover. The bed is 198 centimeters long and 107 centimeters wide. And now I'll show you how to unfold the bed.
Wie das Bett aufgeklappt wird, zeige ich euch jetzt. So, zum Umklappen des
To
Bettes.
unfold the bed, I first have to fold down the rear seats. Then I just pull the bed toward me, while folding out the support legs and securing them in the B-pillar panels. The advantage of the support legs is that I no longer need the seats in the second row to hold up the bed. This way I can remove them completely, which gives me more space for luggage and food. There are some additional features in the trunk.
Und ein paar weitere Features möchte ich euch noch im Kofferraum zeigen. Wir haben zunächst beim neuen Caddy
The new Caddy California uses the same table and chair set you know from the other California models. They come standard with every Caddy California. Of course, this also includes the stowage bags in the rear windows, which are removable and portable. Also included is the lighting system and the blackout kit.
entsprechende Verdunklung dabei. Und zum Abschluss
To finish our presentation of the Caddy California, I want to show you something very special. For the first time ever, the Caddy California offers an optional kitchenette. It consists of a kitchen module with 2 drawers. The bottom drawer contains the cutlery tray, as well as a storage space for cooking utensils and supplies.
Utensilien und Vorräte. Und in der oberen
The upper drawer contains the cooking zone with a wind protector and an additional storage area. The gas bottle itself is located in the lower rear of the cupboard section. It includes a bottom ventilation system and can be filled via the rear seat row. In connection with the kitchenette, the new Caddy California always qualifies for the motorhome license.
Caddy California immer die Wohnmobilzulassung.
Bleiben Sie gesund.
Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and have fun with your next camping adventure.